with the Boxing 2025-26 Zone 2nd Championship along with the boxing event, giving our students an amazing opportunity to showcase their talents in sports. We also celebrated Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam where students planted their trees with a name of their mother, a beautiful blend of love for family and nature.
Good morning everyone. Let's begin with the first highlight of our session. We held our investiture ceremony where our newly elected student council took their oaths and accepted leadership roles. It was followed by ESP Janmashtami celebration and Janmashtami program where students performed devotional song and dances as Radha and Krishna.
The festive mood continued as we celebrated a Ganesh Visarjan with a devotion and eco-friendly awareness. Soon after, we celebrated a Teachers' Day in a very special way, where students expressed their gratitude through speeches, songs and performances.
Moving ahead, we celebrated Pola, honoring our traditional values. Soon after, we held an exciting solo dance competition where students displayed their confidence and grace through dance.
And finally, we celebrated a Grandparents' Day. The day was filled with a warmth and happiness as the students shared the activities with their grandparents and making it a day of love and bonding.
Adding colors to the calendar, our ESP fancy dress competition filled the stage with creativity as students dressed as inspiring characters. The joy of seeing little ones perform in unique attire make it truly memorable. These were some of the important events conducted in our school during this session. Thank you for being with us.